How's it going? This is Mcmillen with OWETEC Services. Apologize about the mess today, but we're doing a lot of welding operations for different customers on some weld schedule development. But I wanted to take the time today to talk about weld joint fit up and preparation and why it's important to the orbital welding that we do on our everyday basis. So some of the things you want to think about is it okay to have a burr? Is it not okay to have a burr? What is the amount of interference I can have when having a tube-to-tube or a square groove butt joint? And we're going to discuss some of those answers and what we should be trying to achieve when we're looking for that good facing and cutting and the overall fit up of our joints. So right now I'm going to sit here and talk about the Axer saw, which is a great piece of equipment for cutting tube. Some of the best out there. So one of the things when using this, especially on stainless steel, which is what we're doing right now, 316L, you want to make sure that the feed is on the lowest setting because your speed is going to be nice and fast, just like when we're cutting any actual stainless on like a machine operation. So one of the things you want to think about when setting this up is this should look something like this, where if we come in here real quick, the teeth want to be slightly past the wall of that tubing so that you know you're penetrating, but you don't want to be too far into either. So right now I'm going to take that back out. What I'm going to do is I want to start at a little bit of an angle. I'm going to unlock this tubing, get the length I want to cut, and right now it's just a general length for this demonstration. We'll go ahead and turn this on. I'll take this and do the initial puncture, and then we'll just come around and feed it. Now you do want to be careful with the cord. Sometimes I hold it just to make sure. And as you see, my speed is at a relatively high pace. I'm coming back around. That's just something I like to do. I'll go ahead and turn that off. Get that out of the way. A little bit of a burr hanging on the side, but that's pretty typical when we're cutting some tubing. So what we'll do next is we'll go ahead, we'll take it to our facing equipment, face it up, and then we'll show you the difference between a good orbital weld with a good joint preparation and fit up and one that doesn't have such great joint preparation and fit up. Stay tuned.